Have you ever walked into a home and instantly felt calm? Not because it was luxurious, not because it was large, but because everything felt clean, organized, and peaceful. Many Japanese homes create this feeling every day, even in small spaces. And surprisingly, it isn't because people spend hours cleaning. Instead, they follow a few simple habits that prevent clutter from building up in the first place. These habits have been passed down through generations and are deeply connected to the Japanese values of respect, mindfulness, and simplicity. The good news is that you don't need a large home, expensive storage systems, or a strict cleaning schedule to use them. In today's video, we'll explore 6 Japanese habits that help keep homes clean and organized. Each habit is simple, practical, and easy to start using right away. By the end of this video, you may discover that creating a calmer home is much easier than you think. Let's begin with the first habit. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning practical Japanese habits for a healthier, simpler, and more peaceful life, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We share easy tips inspired by Japanese culture, healthy aging, and everyday wellness to help you live better at any age. And if you find this video helpful, let us know by giving it a like. It really helps support the channel. Now let's look at the first Japanese habit that keeps homes clean and organized. 1. Genkan. Keep dirt at the door. The first thing we do when we arrive home is walk through the front door. In Japan, this area is much more than just an entrance. It is called the genkan, and it serves as the boundary between the outside world and the clean, peaceful space inside the home. One of the most important habits in Japanese households is removing shoes immediately after entering. Outdoor shoes carry dirt, dust, moisture, and germs from streets, sidewalks, and public places. By leaving shoes at the entrance, most of that dirt never makes its way into the living areas. But the habit goes beyond simply taking off shoes. Japanese families also keep the entrance area clean and organized. Shoes are placed neatly, unnecessary items are kept away, and the space is treated with care and respect. This simple daily practice creates 2 powerful benefits. First, it reduces the amount of cleaning needed throughout the home. Second, it creates a feeling of order from the moment you walk through the door. Even if your home doesn't have a traditional Japanese genkan, you can still adopt this habit. Create a designated area near your entrance for shoes, and make it a rule that outdoor footwear stays there. Sometimes, the easiest way to keep a home clean is to stop the dirt before it enters in the first place. 2. Put things back immediately. Have you ever looked around a room and wondered how it became so messy so quickly? In many cases, clutter doesn't appear all at once. It builds up little by little. A book left on the table, a jacket draped over a chair, mail placed on the counter, just for now. One of the most effective Japanese habits is simple. Put things back as soon as you're finished using them. Instead of leaving an item out and dealing with it later, take a few extra seconds to return it to its proper place immediately. This small action prevents clutter from accumulating throughout the day. At first, it may seem insignificant. After all, what difference can a few seconds make? But over time, these small decisions create a noticeable change in how your home looks and feels. A tidy home is often the result of many tiny habits rather than one big cleaning session. By putting things away right away, you eliminate the need for hours of organizing later. Your surfaces stay cleaner, your rooms feel calmer, and you spend less time searching for misplaced items. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. When putting things back becomes automatic, keeping your home organized requires much less effort. Small actions repeated every day can create surprisingly big results. 3. Give everything a home. The third Japanese habit builds naturally on the previous one. After all, it's difficult to put things away if they don't have a designated place. One reason clutter accumulates so easily is that many everyday items don't have a clear home. Keys end up on the kitchen counter. Reading glasses move from room to room. Important papers get stacked wherever there is empty space. Japanese organization focuses on a simple principle. Everything should have a specific place where it belongs. When every item has a home, putting it away becomes almost effortless. There is no decision to make, and no guessing involved. You simply return it to its designated spot. This doesn't require expensive storage systems or perfectly labeled containers. In fact, the simplest solutions are often the most effective. A small tray for keys near the entrance, a basket for blankets in the living room, a drawer dedicated to chargers and electronic accessories. These simple systems make daily life much easier. Another benefit is that you always know where to find what you need. Instead of wasting time searching for misplaced items, you can focus on the things that truly matter. The goal is not to own less or create a picture-perfect home. The goal is to create a home where every object has a purpose and a place. When everything has a home, staying organized becomes a natural part of everyday life rather than a constant struggle. 4. Reset 1. Small area. Every day. When people think about keeping a home clean, they often imagine spending hours cleaning the entire house at once. But one of the most practical Japanese habits takes a completely different approach. Instead of waiting until the whole house feels overwhelming, focus on resetting one small area each day. This could be your kitchen counter, dining table, bathroom sink, coffee table, or entryway. Choose a space that is used frequently and spend just a few minutes returning it to order. Wipe away any dust or crumbs. Put misplaced items back where they belong. Clear the surface so it feels fresh and ready for the next day. The task may only take 5 minutes, but the impact is much greater. A clean and organized corner creates a sense of calm. It also builds momentum. When one area looks good, you're naturally more motivated to take care of the rest of your home. Many people avoid cleaning because they feel they need a large block of free time. This habit proves that even a few minutes can make a meaningful difference. Over time, these small daily resets prevent clutter from spreading and make your home feel consistently tidy without requiring major cleaning sessions. Rather than trying to do everything at once, focus on one small area and do it well. Consistency is often more powerful than effort. 5. Add small cleaning tasks to your daily routine. One reason cleaning can feel exhausting is that many people save everything for one big cleaning day. By the time that day arrives, the work feels overwhelming. Japanese households often take a different approach. Instead of tackling large messes all at once, they incorporate small cleaning tasks into routines that already exist. The idea is simple. Connect a quick cleaning task to something you already do every day. For example, after brushing your teeth, take a few seconds to wipe down the bathroom sink. After preparing breakfast, quickly clean the kitchen counter. While waiting for your coffee or tea, organize a drawer or clear a small surface. Each task may take only a minute or two, but together they prevent dirt, dust, and clutter from building up. This habit works because it doesn't require extra motivation. You're not setting aside special time to clean. You're simply adding a small action to a routine that is already part of your day. Over time, these tiny efforts become automatic. Instead of facing a long list of chores every weekend, you maintain your home little by little, throughout the week. The result is a cleaner, more peaceful living space with far less effort than most people expect. Sometimes, the secret to keeping a home clean isn't working harder. It's making small actions a natural part of everyday life. The final Japanese habit doesn't involve organizing or cleaning at all, yet it can make your home feel fresher, healthier, and more inviting every single day. 6. Air out your home. Every morning. The final Japanese habit is surprisingly simple, yet it can completely change how your home feels. Each morning, many Japanese families open their windows to let fresh air flow through the house. This practice is known as ventilation, and it has been a part of daily life in Japan for generations. Even during cooler months, a few minutes of fresh air can make a noticeable difference. Overnight, indoor air can become stale. Moisture from cooking, showering, and simply breathing can accumulate inside the home. Without proper airflow, this moisture may contribute to unpleasant odors, stuffiness, and even mold growth over time. Opening windows for just 10 to 15 minutes helps remove stale air and replace it with fresh outdoor air. For the best results, open windows on opposite sides of the home whenever possible. This creates a gentle cross breeze that allows air to circulate throughout multiple rooms. Beyond the practical benefits, many people find this habit refreshing mentally as well. Fresh air can make a home feel lighter, brighter, and more welcoming. It creates a sense of renewal that helps start the day on a positive note. Unlike many cleaning habits, this one requires almost no effort. Simply open the windows while making breakfast, getting dressed, or enjoying your morning coffee. Sometimes, the simplest habits have the greatest impact. By allowing fresh air to enter your home each day, you create a cleaner, healthier, and more pleasant environment for yourself and those you love. So, what can we learn from these 6 Japanese habits? Keeping a home clean and organized isn't about perfection. It isn't about spending entire weekends cleaning or buying expensive storage systems. Instead, it's about creating small daily habits that make order and cleanliness a natural part of everyday life. From removing shoes at the entrance to putting things away immediately, giving everything a home, resetting one small area each day, adding tiny cleaning tasks to your routine, and airing out your home every morning, each habit is simple on its own. But together, they can completely transform how your home looks and feels. A clean home isn't just easier to maintain. It can also help reduce stress, create a greater sense of calm, and make everyday life more enjoyable. You don't have to start with all 6 habits at once. Choose just one that feels easy to implement and practice it consistently for the next week. Small changes often lead to the biggest results over time. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. Which of these Japanese habits would you like to try first? And if you enjoy learning practical Japanese habits for a healthier, simpler, and more peaceful life, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.